In this training module, we're going to go into module number 2, which is the development stage for the project manager when they're developing a website. So, module number 1 and the first stage of the development is coming up with the research and doing research on the company and the client. And that's where we came up with the information like this blog post, which covered things like all of the things to look for, things that people would be looking for when they're looking for a company like our clients. I went ahead and took the time to look up the different badges. So these are badges that we can add to the website. We should have sections about each badge. These are different things that companies like this should be certified in, and our client should be certified in these as well. Now, how would we display them on a website? Because we know we're going to use this template here, a similar template, but we want to do something else. So we're going to go look at these websites here. These are ones that we've already built, and let's talk about some of the conversion elements. And you'll see quickly with all of these websites, we'll see different conversion elements, but they're displayed differently on each website based on that company's specific industry and the things that they do. These are all Powerbranded Non-Conformist Inc. websites. You'll see that one. And then I'm not sure if this one has one, but at least not on the home. Oh, there it is. Yes. Okay, so you'll see how they're each different. But they're all similar and the same. So we want to make sure we have a section like this on our landing page. And remember, our websites are built where you have the home page, which has a lot of different stuff, but then all of our pages, including the about page, the service page, contact, FAQ, you will see that they include all of our different, quite a few of our other landing page elements, things like reviews, badges, trust sections. Here's an example, right? Even though this is a service page, it doesn't just have service information. We make sure each one of them carries out a lot of different information, including having to get the free quote at the bottom. So we know that even though this website here that we're going to build the template on does not have all of those different elements, we would then add those elements in addition to these elements to our landing page. So elements that we want to add, I think I would probably have this be the front page instead of this right here. And I do like the video, so if we can get a video, we can do the video. But if we don't have a video, then we would probably follow this pattern right here. Along with that, we want to make sure we have a section that highlights what they do. So we don't really have that here in our template. Kind of a little bit here, but not too much. We would want to build the same kind of highlight. And the simple steps, as well as why you should trust them. Reviews, there's different ways we can display them. We'll need a service section, which we don't have. All of these elements, here's our review section. We will take those elements, and our main leading web developer should be able to take these different elements and create a website based off of this. So let's talk through it real quick one more time. This is a bit shorter, but what we're doing is we are looking at all of our information that we've gathered. So we're reviewing our initial template, we're reviewing some of our other websites and remembering the different elements that are conversion elements, things like, excuse me, like the license and insured, and making sure that you highlight that. Of course, we are going to use our blog that we found about that. And I took the time to go in and take it into ChatGPT because what I wanted to do, and this is something that you could easily do as well, is I took the blog and I wanted to rewrite it from a voice where we could just take that blog writing content and use it on our new landing page. So I'm going to log back in here to ChatGPT and I'll be right back.